Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make hard sour candy at home. Start by sterilizing equipment and measuring sugar, corn syrup, water, and citric acid precisely. Next, combine ingredients and heat slowly while stirring to dissolve crystals. Monitor the mixture with a candy thermometer and reach the hard crack stage for a firm texture. Pour into molds, let cool fully, then dust with citric acid for that signature sour. The cooking step is where texture is made, so stay attentive and steady. Combine sugar, corn syrup, and water and heat over medium, stirring until dissolved, then stop stirring to avoid crystallization. Clip a candy thermometer and let the mixture reach 300 degrees F, which is the hard crack stage for true crunchy candy. Remove from heat, add flavor and color quickly, and pour into molds to set before handling. Flavoring is the fun part, but timing matters, so work quickly and confidently. Once the syrup is off heat and slightly cooled, stir in flavor oils or extracts and a measured amount of citric acid for sourness. Pour into prepared molds and let candies cool completely before unmolding. For extra zing, roll or dust finished pieces in a citric acid sugar, blend to give each bite an immediate and lasting sour hit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.